So from a search mode, pressing menu again accesses what we call our 6-block menu. I'm going to arrow over to my sensitivity section and press enter. And I get my sensitivity selections. You might have noticed this is very much similar to or identical to our live control. We have our RX gain. Here we can adjust it up or down. Notice the check mark. That tells me in this program 7 is the standard setting. If I go up a little higher, the triangle's telling me, hey, I've changed from my standard setting for this particular program. Going down to the boost. Now remember, RX gain is your preamp. That's the main way of increasing or decreasing depth, also of reducing external noise. TX boost is boosting the transmitter, the signal going out to the loop. Typically this is good for low mineralized ground. In moderate to high mineral ground, you get a lot of overloading. If you're transmitting more, you're obviously receiving more, very similar to turning your RX gain up real high. Typically, this is just for your lower mineralized areas. Discrimination sensitivity, again, if I increase that, the triangle comes up. I'm not on my standard setting. The check mark is my standard setting. I can adjust. This is your motion discrimination sensitivity. Different than preamp in that it's more towards the tail end of signal processing. All metal sensitivity, you can adjust. Again, this affects your pinpoint mode significantly. High settings make it difficult to pinpoint your shallow targets. Low settings make it easier, but higher settings go deeper in your pinpoint mode, as well as your regular audio all metal mode. If you want to set it up for all metal detection, this is your main way of increasing your sensitivity. Squeeze and release the trigger to go back to the 6-block menu. Squeeze and release the trigger a second time to go back to a search mode.